Good morning and welcome to the Baler Bulletin. My name is Ryan Underwood.
And I'm Raisa Ruiz.
John Calvin Maxwell is an American author, speaker, and pastor who has written many books, primarily focusing on leadership. Titles include The 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership and The 21 Indispensable Qualities of a Leader. His books have sold millions of copies, with some on the New York Times bestseller list.
He said, the difference between average people and achieving people is their perception of and response to failure.
Club Ed with the Youth Alliance and ASB is accepting new and gently used blankets. Please take your blankets to room 341 and tell Miss Lemos you are donating. Thank you.
And now for the weather with Wyatt.
Thanks, guys. So today we're going to start off with a low of 36 and a high of 57. And tomorrow, you might want to bring your raincoat. It's going to get a bit drippy. So we're going to start off with a low of 35 and a high of 54. And on Friday, we're going to have a low of 42 and a high of 55. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Wyatt. FFA members, don't forget there's a chapter meeting tonight. The meeting starts at 6 p.m. and will take place in the cafeteria. There will be food. There will also be holiday games. And there will also be more. Also note, this is a great way to earn yourself an activity point. Hope to see you there. And happy holidays from Hollister FFA.
Joke break. What do you call a snowman that throws a tantrum?
What?
A meltdown.
That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And remember,
Go
go Balers.
Balers.